Friends for real. This is how I feel. Yo, Colin Blood. You know, sometimes pagans Sherman try fight get a youth. I just feel like we have something for proof today. See there? I will leave a door, me knock on them not open. But me give thanks to who closed them. Because I you, me try harder. Me I tell you, say I you, me try harder. To all of the enemies to force them. Me bust a drink and make a toast to them. Because I you, me try harder. You, me try. These are youth from the streets.
What's up, guys? We're now tuned in live here, and we're not gonna pronounce the place that we have for security reasons. But what we have here is an age 22 full turbo kit. You can't see the turbo; it's a new kit. It's underneath the body now.
You need that Honda factory jump, bro.
Now get that shit out of here, bro.
This is what underneath my jump. Alright, got a little bit of oil leak. We're gonna get that shit fixed though. Next paycheck. So next paycheck, I'm buying a hood, a fender, 2 headlights, and I'm thinking if I should get another bumper.
Sorry, you gotta let people know what you're doing.
You narrate, I do it.
So what my man's right here is doing is my bro. You gotta be anything fixed, don't call him because he's special Honda technician only for the Bones crew. Alright? What he's doing right now, he's changing my oil. Oh no man, what crew we have yet? Just calling it the Bones because that's what the name of the YouTube page is. Oh, if you haven't subscribed or liked this page by now, then there's gonna be problems. Because you won't know how to fix an H.
Because I you, me try harder. You me try. No guy can't tell no lie, man try. And we give thanks to all of those who try with I, yeah. Because mama table want food. And me you them no fi want note. So me a go and work with the right attitude. If I fight, that's on your fight. Packy do that whole heap of door we knock on them not open. But me give thanks to who close them. Because I you, me try harder. Me I tell you, say I you, me try harder. To all of the enemies to force them. Me bust a champagne like a toast to them. Because I you, me try harder. You, me try. See that? Friends for real. And this is what I feel. Tell them no jagger. Yeah, me no pass and done. Colin Bloods, Richie Tech. We a tell them a whole heap of door we knock on them not open. But me give thanks to who class them. Because I know me try harder. You tell us say I know me try harder.
Shaking my head.
It's the force them. Must have champagne like a toast to them. Because I know me try harder. Me try.
I'm gonna fuck with him. Like, yo, I forgot to put your oil cap back on. Look at this dirty ass nigga. Don't be like him, people. Will gotta get strapped though. No. There go my baby. There go that turd.
Shit, when you in the pussy, that's different. It's lubrication
Don't put
right
that
there.
part on. You smell that?
Yeah, what is that food? It's a
That shit
restaurant?
smell good as shit.
Probably CC's next door. Y'all want pizza? I get that shit for free.
Huh?
I get that shit for free.
For real?
Yeah.
How?
I know the manager there.
Man, tell us what's up.
Yeah. If you fuck with winning, put your lighters to the sky. How could it all make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with it.